Got a Haro Race LT Pro. It's a bike check on it. Just some worn out ODI grips. You know what kind they are. Sorry, I got close there. I'm not sure what the bars are. There's a Sins front load stem, Sins rims, Sins hubs. They're sealed. Intense MK2 tires. It's not gonna focus. I think they're redline forks. THE seat, redline seat clamp, fly seat post, bombshell brakes, redline pads, Sins rear rim, that one's sealed as well. Intense tire in the rear as well. Need a new one over here though. You can tell it's pretty worn out. Sunringo pedals. I actually like this bike quite a bit. It's one of my favorite bikes I actually ever rode. Jumps real nice. Hub sounds pretty good. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.